Have you ever wanted the flavor of grilled burgers or steaks, but didn't want your kitchen filling with smoke afterward? Or maybe you skipped indoor grilling altogether because cleaning up grease splatters felt like more work than the meal itself. If that sounds familiar, today's product could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's see whether the Cuisinart Griddler with Smokeless mode truly delivers a better indoor grilling experience. The Cuisinart Griddler with Smokeless mode is designed for home cooks, apartment dwellers, busy families, and anyone who loves grilled food year-round without relying on an outdoor barbecue. Instead of being limited to one cooking style, this versatile appliance works as a contact grill, full griddle, half grill and half griddle, and even a panini press. Its biggest selling point is the Smokeless mode, which is engineered to reduce smoke while still delivering flavorful grilled results. If you'd like to check it out, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the Griddler feels like a premium countertop appliance. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern, professional appearance that fits well in almost any kitchen. The construction feels solid, and the lid opens and closes smoothly without feeling loose or flimsy. The removable reversible cooking plates are coated with a durable nonstick surface, making them easy to swap depending on what you're cooking. One side functions as a grill, while the other serves as a flat griddle, adding a lot of flexibility without requiring extra accessories. One of the smartest design features is the adjustable plate configuration. You can use it as a traditional contact grill for sandwiches and chicken breasts, open it completely flat to double the cooking area, or combine one grill plate with one griddle plate to prepare different foods at the same time. For example, you can grill bacon on one side while cooking pancakes or eggs on the other, making breakfast much faster and more convenient. Performance is where this appliance really shines. The Smokeless mode isn't just a marketing feature. It combines grease-reducing plates, adjustable plate positioning, and precise temperature control to noticeably reduce smoke compared to many standard indoor grills. While you'll still see some smoke when cooking particularly fatty cuts of meat, it's significantly less than what many competing grills produce. That makes it a much better option for apartments, condos, or kitchens with limited ventilation. Cooking results are consistently impressive. The adjustable temperature range from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you plenty of flexibility for everything from gently warming sandwiches to searing steaks. The pre-programmed settings for beef, poultry, pork, and fish simplify cooking even further by taking much of the guesswork out of choosing the right temperature. Burgers develop attractive grill marks, chicken cooks evenly, fish stays moist, and vegetables come out nicely caramelized without burning. The high contrast display and simple controls also deserve praise. Programming cooking time, selecting temperature, and choosing cooking functions feels intuitive, even if you've never owned an electric grill before. Everything is clearly labeled, so you spend less time reading the manual and more time actually cooking. Cleanup is another area where the Cuisinart Griddler performs exceptionally well. The removable drip tray collects excess grease before it reaches your countertop, while the nonstick cooking plates release food easily with very little scrubbing required. Best of all, both the plates and drip tray are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup after dinner much quicker than washing traditional grill grates by hand. Compared with similarly priced indoor grills from Ninja, Hamilton Beach, and George Foreman, the Cuisinart Griddler stands out because of its true 5-in-1 versatility: Smokeless mode, reversible cooking plates, wide temperature range, and generous cooking surface that can handle up to 8 burgers when fully opened. While premium smart grills may include built-in temperature probes, the Griddler offers a better balance of versatility, ease of use, and overall value for everyday home cooking. If you're ready to enjoy grilled flavor all year without firing up an outdoor barbecue, the Cuisinart Griddler with Smokeless mode is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.